Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn some phrases that we can use at the classroom. Let's dive in. What page are we on? What page are we on? I'm ready. May I start it? I'm ready. May I start it? Can I go out? Can I go out? May I go to the toilet, please? May I go to the toilet, please? Can I go to the toilet, please? Can I go to the toilet, please? May I have some water? May I have some water? Can I answer the question? Can I answer the question? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I did not hear. I'm sorry, I did not hear. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you speak louder, please? Can you speak louder, please? Which book? Which book? Which book should I take out? Which book should I take out? Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? When is the exam? When is the exam? I have done this. I have done this. I have finished. I have finished. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this right? Is this right? May I go out, please? May I go out, please? Can you explain it once more, please? Can you explain it once more, please? Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. Do we have to write this down? Do we have to write this down? What is the homework? What is the homework? May I join the class? May I join the class? What does that mean? What does that mean? I need a pencil. I need a pencil. I forgot my book. I forgot my book. I didn't do my homework. I didn't do my homework. How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Can I open the window? Can I open the window? Can I go out? Can I go out? Can I come in? Can I come in? How did you come to school? How did you come to school? Why are you late? Why are you late? English lesson is not very difficult. English lesson is not very difficult. What's for lunch today? What for lunch today? Are the books put in the bag? Are the books put in the bag? Isn't your friend coming today? Isn't your friend coming today? Who's your class teacher? Who's your class teacher? Did your friend come to school today? Did your friend come to school today? Please clean the board. Please clean the board. Have you had good lessons today? Have you had good lessons today? Can I switch off the light? Can I switch off the light? Teacher, can you repeat it again? Teacher, can you repeat it again? Can we pack our things now? Can we pack our things now?